Say you're promoting a product, this one on Amazon. You share the link in few different places and a few days later you check and you made some sales. Great, but which one actually did it? The WhatsApp message one, the email you sent out, the QR code on the flyer, or let's say the campaign you run on Facebook. You genuinely cannot tell, right? I had that problem for months. In this video, I'll show you why it happens and the tool I used to fix it in about 30 seconds. Here's the reason. I was sharing this exact link. Let me just copy it. Let me just paste it somewhere else. It's a notepad. So here is the link I was sharing. Same Amazon link in my WhatsApp, same link in my email, same link on my flyer. So when someone actually clicks it and buy, there's nothing in that link telling me where it came from. Every one of those places looks exactly the same. It all gets lumped into one big number which I cannot be filtered out. Which and the GA4 gives me that one big number as well. I could see the sales were happening. I just couldn't see which channel was doing the work, and if you don't know what's working you can't do more of it. Now there is a proper way to fix this. You add a little tags at the end of the link that tells you where it came from. But look at it, the that's what an Amazon link looks like once you have done it properly. It's enormous, right? You never paste that into WhatsApp message. That looks really silly and it looks really hectic. And if you build it by hand and get one letter wrong, a wrong capital where there shouldn't be one, or a one typo in one word, it count as a different source and your number split in half. So most people try it once, hate it, and quietly stops. That's exactly what I did. And there's one more problem, which is one that actually cost me money. You Once you've printed a link or a QR code, it's frozen. If that product goes out of the stock or you want to point people at a different one, that code is stuck pointing at that old page that is already out of stock. And you can't edit a flyer that's already printed. You have to just reprint it, right? So here's the fix. I'm going to show you a tool. So this is the tool I use. It's called linkutm. Now let me just log in. Let me just go into one of the section. Let me show you how this works. Let me just delete it. I have already done that. Let's say we are going to create a link. I'm going to paste the same link, the same Amazon link where we are going to do the campaigning or whatever the stuff you need with this link. Just paste this link. It's going to verify it, and as you can see, it has verified the link. Let's just give it a good name. This is a slug, by the way. You can use your domain. I have two domains as of right now, so you can either get a smart slug or you can random generate. So we are going to give a good name. Let's say we are going to do the campaigning of this on Facebook, so we're going to give Amazon, let's say Facebook. Yeah, here it is. Then you can go into UTM. You can give a quick template. We have the link utms already have some templates. Let's say we are going to do the Facebook ad. You can also edit it. Let's say just Facebook, I would say not the paid social, it's just going to be, let's say, social. So you can do that as well. You can give keyword content. There is encoding as well, and you can change the content ID and everything. And as you can see, this is the link, right? The one which I was talking about. Now let's just apply parameters. As you can see, the link has been done. The QR code has been created. You can also customize the QR code however you want. You can download the PNG. Let's just create link, and the link has been created. Now simply, if you going to use this link, let's just copy this link and you're going to paste it. Let's just say unknown user just enter your link through Facebook. So this is what you're going to be looked like, right? Is easy UTM, the domain name. You can use your own company's domain name, Amazon, Facebook. Simply enter it, and as you can see, directly redirect to the page, to the product, right? So this is what the end user, the one who's going to visit your link, the one who is going to visit your link through your campaign is going to look like. So let me just close it. So here's the trick. I can make separate of this link. Let's just say that I'm going to copy the same link. Just go into edit, Just copy this, right? Let's create a new link, right? The same link, verification done. Let's just say we want to use the easy UTM thing. You can generate a smart slug. Let's say Amazon. Let's say we are going to use this as a WhatsApp, right? We're going to copy this link and we're going to market this product on website. We're going to use the website link. We are going to not going to give a quick template. We're going to create our own. Let's say WhatsApp underscore sale, right? We're going to use the as a source as a WhatsApp medium. Let's say social, right? You can use the keyword whatever you want to give. Simply apply the parameters, and as you can see, our link is going to look like this. The preview, apply parameters, and create link. Now, as you can see, we have WhatsApp link, the same product. As you can see, this is the same product. This is the same product, but on different platform, different links. So you don't have a big number. Generally, what happened before is this: the same link you're going to paste it on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and your number is going to be the very big, lump sum of everything. But not with link UTM. Now you can simply copy this link. As you can see, I've already copied this link and open. So let me just go into analytics, and as you can see, there is total click register, total unique users and reference. If I copy this same link again, I'm going to paste it again. Let's say another, I myself, I'm the same user who's going to copy enter this link again. And as you can see, I've been directed to the same page. And if you reload the data, total click is 2 but the unique user is 1, so the data is accurate, right? Same with the WhatsApp one. As you can see, let me just copy it and let me just show you the analytics first. Zero data. I have copied this link. Let me just copy it again and paste it. And let's take a reference that I'm going to some user has just visited my page through WhatsApp link. And as you can see, it's been same redirected to the same link, but but the data and the analytics are going to be much more different. As you can see, we have total links, same, and the device, everything is going to be pinpoint accurate. And for the printed flyers, let me just take this edit. As you can see, this is the QR code. I get a QR code for the link right here. Same thing, every scan gets counted as coming from the flyers. You could use this flyer, you can create another link just for flyers. Don't paste it anywhere, just copy, just create a link. And let's say we are going to, let me just copy that link again, right? Just copy this link over here. Let's just say we are going to use this as a amazon.in, or let's just give it a name, uh, flyer. You can give an UTM, you can use it like, let's say, flyer campaign or whatever you want, right? Any source, any medium. Just simply apply the parameters, create link, and you can use that QR code on a, let's say, on a printed flyers. And every time the link that can be, let's say, the change, every time the link gets clicked, it gets its own number. Every different campaign has its own number. That's the whole point. Before this, I was guessing. Now I know exactly where I have to put my time. Last thing, this is my favorite. I can change where a link points after already shared. Let's say I've already shared this link, right? For example, I've already shared this link on WhatsApp. I'm going to use the same thing, but I'm going to change this destination URL to something else. Let me show you. Let's just get another product on Amazon. Let's see, we're going to do this. Okay, let's say I've changed my campaign. Just simply copy it and simply paste it over here. It's going to re-verify again, save changes. As you can see, the Amazon link has been changed. Just simply copy it. And remember, later, before, that was a there was a speaker, but right now it's going to be a mobile cover. As you can see, which is, we have already changed the link. So let me just go into analytics again. And as you can see, the total click has been changed. So let's say that this has been, out of stock and another speaker has been in stock. Let's say we are going to take that speaker and we're going to paste it over here, and you get the idea how the things is going to be working. The link I've already sent on WhatsApp still works. The QR code on the flyer that's already printed still works. Nothing to reprint, nothing to resend. So that's it. This so that's it. This is a tool I use. It's called linkutm. Like it's like, as you can see, it's everything you wanted. I've put the link in description. There's a free version, you can try it on your own. It was useful. It was this If this was useful, subscribe. I'm making more of this. Thanks for watching.